Welcome to your 3-minute yoga break on the couch. Start in a comfortable position lying down on your couch or bed. Bring your right leg in and hold the back of your thigh and circle through your ankles. You can also wiggle your toes. Go in reverse direction. If it's hard to hold the back of your thigh, you can also hold on your fabric of the pants. Then go ahead and hug your right knee into your chest gently, giving you a little squeeze. Then continue holding onto your right knee as you circle your right leg around. Try to keep your right leg relaxed so that it's not doing much work to circle itself. Rather, your arms are doing the work to circle your right leg around your right hip, like a massaging action. And then go ahead and set your right foot back down onto the couch or bed. Go ahead and bring your left leg in, holding the backward side of your thigh, and slowly circle through your ankle. Again, you can wiggle your toes, and slow enough that you don't bypass any areas that are tight. Breathing easily through. Go and hug your left knee in towards you, giving a gentle squeeze, and continue holding onto your left knee with your thigh muscles relaxed, and use your arms to guide your left leg in circular motions. Make sure you also reverse the direction of your circle after a few times. Keep your belly and lower back soft here, just letting your thigh bone massage into your left hip socket. Then go ahead and bring both of your knees into your chest. Holding your knees as you inhale, guide your knees away, and exhale, bend your elbows to bring your knees in. Same thing here, you want to keep your legs and your knees relaxed so that you're really just using your arms to move your knees in and out. This will give your hips and lower back a nice massage through and through. Belly is soft here. Take 1 to 2 more. And then go ahead and step your feet down one at a time onto your couch. Pause here and take a few breaths. And you can continue on for the rest of your day or continue resting on your couch.